Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use edit forms in PowerApps. Edit forms are incredibly powerful tools that allow your users to interact with and update data seamlessly within your applications. They provide a structured way to display and modify records from your chosen data source, whether it's a simple list or a complex database. We will cover the essential steps to get you started and make your forms effective. To begin, simply drag and drop an edit form control onto your canvas. Next, you will need to connect this form to your data. Set its data source property to your desired data source, like a SharePoint list or a Dataverse table. Finally, specify which individual record the form should display for editing by setting its item property, often using a gallery's selected item. Once your form is connected, you can customize its appearance and functionality. Select the form and use the Edit Fields option to manage your data cards. Here, you can reorder fields, change their control types, or even remove fields you do not need. Each data card also offers properties to set validation rules, improve user experience, and ensure data integrity. After users make their changes, you will need to save them. Use the Submit Form function, typically on a Buttons on Select property, to write the data back to your source. If you need to clear the form or discard changes, the Reset Form function is your solution. These two functions are crucial for managing user interactions and ensuring your data is handled correctly within your PowerApps application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.